Once upon a time in a quiet meadow, lived a little white rabbit named Rabby. Rabby was small, soft, and very shy. He loved nibbling on clover and hopping through the tall grass. One sunny morning, while playing near a blueberry bush, Rabby heard a strange cry. It was coming from the forest. Though he was scared, he twitched his ears and followed the sound. Deep in the woods, he found a baby bird that had fallen from its nest. The poor bird was trembling and chirping for help. "Oh no," said Rabby. "Don't worry, little one. I'll help you." Rabby looked up and saw the nest high in a tree. He couldn't fly, of course, but he had an idea. He hopped quickly to his friend Molly the squirrel. Molly was fast and brave. Together, they climbed the tree, Molly carrying the baby bird carefully in her fluffy tail. They placed it safely back in the nest. All the animals in the forest cheered for Rabby. Even though he was small and shy, he had a big, brave heart. From that day on, Rabby wasn't just the little white rabbit anymore. He was known as Rabby the Brave. And he lived happily ever after, with many more adventures to come.